It's Chrislyn, and today I will be making a video of slime that I made with borax, contact solution, and shaving cream. And I put a little lotion in it to make it a little bit stretchier. So first we added our glue into the bowl, and then we stirred it, of course. And then we added a little bit of shaving cream. And then we put in the contact solution and stirred. Then we put our food coloring. Then we put in our borax. And it came out like this. Okay. Sorry for the background noise. But this is the slime. Okay. I think that's all. But it's really stretchy and fluffy.
That's my poop. That's my poop.